Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create gradient background using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and as you can see I have imported some background colors to this project, and I'm going to use these colors to create gradient background. You can get background color from the internet, or you can also go to the stock material in CapCut and go to the background, and you just need to search for background color, and I'm just going to use mine. So I'm going to create gradient background with three colors. So for the first color, I'm going to add this yellow color to my track, and then for the second color, I'm going to add this one. Okay, and we're going to go to the mask option, select horizontal mask, and here you will be able to make gradient effect. So I'm going to adjust the color like this, and you can click on the symbol like this to create the effect, the gradient effect. All right, and then I'm going to add I think I need to add two colors again to my background. I'm going to add this one, and we're going to go to the mask. Okay, and I'm just going to rotate it. All right, okay, and then we can drag this arrow like this to create the gradient effect, and I'm going to add this one as well. Okay, go to the horizontal mask, and I'm going to rotate it. Okay. Okay, and now it's done guys, and now the gradient background has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create gradient background using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.